Welcome to the Baseball Happenings review of the 2018 Topps Archive Signature Series, the Active Player Edition. Retailing at $45 per box, each contains one encased autographed buyback card from the likes of over 65 current major leaguers, including Aaron Judge, Bryce Harper, Francisco Lindor, Manny Machado, and Mike Trout. Let's take a look inside. As we open up the box here, a very nice Edwin Encarnacion 2018 Topps Archive Signature Series. This looks like a Topps Finest from 2017. All right, well, there it is. And until next time, check us out online, baseballhappenings.net, or on Twitter at Examine Baseball.